Okay, guys, let's talk about Moringa. You know, that green powder everyone's suddenly obsessed with? At first, I thought it was just another trendy health fad like those charcoal lattes. But then I tried Moringa, and this stuff is legit. It's like a magical potion that makes you feel amazing. I started adding a scoop to my smoothies, and I have more energy than my dog after a triple espresso. My skin is glowing, my hair is shinier, and I feel like I can conquer the world. Or at least make it through an episode of The Bachelor without falling asleep. Moringa is packed with nutrients and antioxidants. Think of it like Popeye's spinach on steroids. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can upgrade your health game. And it's super easy to incorporate into your diet, so ditch the charcoal lattes and hop on the Moringa train. Your body will thank you for it. Okay, so we've established that Moringa is basically a superhero in powder form. But what exactly makes it so special? Let's break down the nutritional facts because even though it tastes good, we're not just here for the flavor. First of all, Moringa is packed with vitamins and minerals. We're talking vitamins A, C, E, K, B1, B2, B3. It's like the alphabet of nutrients, but way more exciting. And don't even get me started on the minerals. Calcium, potassium, iron, magnesium. It's like a who's who of essential nutrients. But wait, there's more. Moringa is also a great source of protein. Yes, you heard that right. This plant-based powder can actually help you reach your daily protein goals. So, whether you're a vegetarian, a vegan, or just someone who loves a good plant-based protein boost, Moringa has got you covered. And if that wasn't enough, Moringa is also rich in antioxidants. You know, those amazing compounds that fight off free radicals and protect your cells from damage? Yeah, Moringa is full of them. It's like a superhero shield for your cells. So basically, Moringa is like the overachiever of the plant world. It's got everything you need and more. And it's not even bragging about it, it's just casually being awesome. Remember that 3 p.m. slump? The one where you're suddenly hit with an overwhelming wave of exhaustion and all you can think about is napping under your desk? Yeah, me too. But ever since I started incorporating Moringa into my daily routine, that afternoon slump has become a thing of the past. It's like Moringa is a personal cheerleader for my cells, giving them the energy they need to power through the day. And the best part? It's not a jittery, anxious energy like you get from too much caffeine. It's a calm, sustained energy that keeps me going without the crash. I'm talking about the kind of energy that allows me to power through a spin class after work, fold laundry while catching up on my favorite shows, and still have the energy to actually cook dinner instead of ordering takeout. It's a miracle, I tell you. And the best part is that it's all thanks to Moringa. This magical powder is like a natural energy drink, but without the sugar crash and questionable ingredients. So ditch the energy drinks and reach for some Moringa instead. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. Okay, let's talk about antioxidants. I know, it sounds kind of boring and scientific, but trust me, this is important stuff. Antioxidants are like little ninjas that protect your cells from damage. They fight off free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on your body. Think of free radicals like those annoying people who always seem to be around when drama goes down. They're the ones causing trouble and leaving a mess behind. Antioxidants, on the other hand, are like the peacekeepers. They come in, neutralize the troublemakers, and restore order. And guess what? Moringa is loaded with antioxidants. We're talking about a whole army of ninja warriors ready to defend your cells from damage. These antioxidants can help protect against chronic diseases, boost your immune system, and even slow down the aging process. So, basically, Moringa is like a superhero for your health. It's fighting off the bad guys and keeping you healthy and strong, and it's doing it all while tasting delicious. Now that's what I call a win-win. Inflammation? Moringa says, not today. Inflammation is like that annoying friend who just won't leave your party. It shows up uninvited, causes a scene, and leaves you feeling drained and exhausted. And just like that friend, inflammation can be a real drag on your health. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a whole host of health problems, from heart disease to cancer. But the good news is that there are ways to combat inflammation and keep it under control. And you guessed it, Moringa is here to save the day. Moringa contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation throughout your body. It's like Moringa is a bouncer at the door of your body, keeping those pesky inflammation molecules out. So, if you're dealing with inflammation, whether it's from an injury, a chronic condition, or just the stress of everyday life, Moringa can help. It's like a natural anti-inflammatory, but without the side effects of medication. And it tastes way better than those weird pills too. Blood sugar balance. Keeping those cravings in check. Let's be real, we've all been there. It's 3 p.m., you're starving, and all you can think about is devouring a giant bag of chips or a pint of ice cream. Blood sugar crashes are no joke, and they can send your cravings into overdrive. But what if I told you there was a way to keep those cravings in check and maintain stable blood sugar levels? Enter Moringa, the blood sugar superhero. Studies have shown that Moringa can help regulate blood sugar levels, which means fewer cravings and more stable energy throughout the day. It's like Moringa is a personal assistant for your pancreas, helping it do its job more effectively. So, if you're tired of those afternoon sugar crashes or you're just looking for a natural way to support healthy blood sugar levels, Moringa is worth adding to your routine. It's like a secret weapon in the fight against cravings, and it tastes way better than a celery stick. Heart health hero, Moringa to the rescue. Your heart is kind of a big deal. It's the engine that keeps your entire body running, so it's important to take care of it. And guess what? Moringa can help with that too. This miracle plant is packed with heart-healthy nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and vitamin E, all of which play a role in maintaining healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It's like Moringa is a personal trainer for your heart, helping it stay in tip-top shape. Studies have shown that Moringa can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce plaque buildup in arteries, and even protect the heart from damage. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your heart health, Moringa is a great addition to your diet. It's like giving your heart a warm hug, but in the form of a delicious smoothie or supplement. And who wouldn't want that? Remember that time you walked into a room and forgot why you were there? Or that awkward moment when you couldn't remember your own phone number? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you there was a way to sharpen your memory, boost your focus, and keep your brain firing on all cylinders? No, I'm not talking about brain surgery or some crazy experimental drug. I'm talking about Moringa, the brain-boosting superstar. Moringa is packed with brain-boosting nutrients like vitamin E and antioxidants, which can help protect your brain from damage and improve cognitive function. It's like Moringa is a personal tutor for your brain, helping you ace those mental exams. Studies have shown that Moringa can improve memory, enhance learning ability, and even protect against age-related cognitive decline. So, if you're looking for a natural way to keep your mind sharp as a tack, Moringa is worth adding to your daily routine. It's like giving your brain a mental workout, but without the sweat and frustration. And it tastes way better than those brain training games too. Okay, let's be real. Who doesn't want radiant skin and luscious hair? We spend a fortune on creams and serums for that healthy glow. But what if I told you there was a natural, affordable way to achieve that radiance? You guessed it, Moringa to the rescue. This miracle plant is amazing for your skin and hair. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, Moringa is essential for healthy skin and hair. It's like a spa day in a powder, nourishing your body from the inside out. The antioxidants in Moringa protect your skin from damage, while the vitamins promote cell regeneration and collagen production. This means fewer wrinkles and a youthful glow. And Moringa can do wonders for your hair. The nutrients strengthen hair follicles and promote growth. For hair commercial-worthy locks, Moringa is your new best friend. Okay, so we've established that Moringa is basically a superhero for your health and well-being. But how do you actually incorporate it into your daily routine? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Moringa powder is incredibly versatile and can be added to a variety of foods and drinks. You can stir it into your morning smoothie, sprinkle it on top of yogurt or oatmeal, or even add it to soups and stews. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even try baking with Moringa powder. There are tons of recipes online for Moringa muffins, cookies, and even cakes. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is that Moringa has a relatively mild, slightly earthy flavor that doesn't overpower other ingredients, so you can easily sneak it into your food without even tasting it. It's like a secret health boost that no one will even know you're getting. Shh, it's our little secret. So, there you have it. Moringa, the miracle plant that can boost your energy, strengthen your immune system, improve your heart health, sharpen your mind, and give you radiant skin and hair. It's like the best friend you never knew you needed, but now you can't imagine life without. Adding Moringa to your daily routine is like giving your body a big, warm hug. It's a simple, natural way to show yourself some love and support your overall health and well-being. So, what are you waiting for? Hop on the Moringa train and experience the amazing benefits for yourself. Your body will thank you for it. And who knows, you might even start craving green smoothies. Okay, maybe not, but you'll definitely feel amazing. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below and hit the bell for more health and wellness inspiration. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.